Now we're back, and I seem to be missing somebody. We're all at a dollar store, Crass.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try something new.
Yeah.
So your mom found some stuff on Pinterest. Show me what it is for the first time. And we're going to try to make it. We got a bag full of stuff. Some of the stuff's random. We don't need it. Yeah. So there's apparently more things in here than we'll need for this. First we're gonna take a look. Right. Let's try to look. So open up the bag and see what we have in the bag.
Puffballs.
Maybe go a little faster. We do need that. All right. That's good.
And
Spotted.
1,
Thanks.
2, 3. I think that's all.
Alright.
Okay, that's all. And string paper.
Alright, paper plates, construction paper,
A paintbrush, glitter.
glitter,
There has to be glue in here. For this
glitter, glue. You could probably stick the thing to the paper plate and just paint. Look at that. Okay, I was way off. Well, apparently there's more in the picture than I thought. I was just gonna make that. Wouldn't that have been awesome? Man, here we go. Should have told me. I would have made that exact thing. So I was like, here we go, I'm done.
Scissors,
I would have just done that.
popsicles.
More glitter, because yay.
I love glitter.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Make them, I don't know, not too thin.
Sort of looks like teeth.
Let me finish mine real quick. Now, whenever you're done cutting them, you need to kind of like spread them out like this.
Oh, I'm just gonna do the
Oh, I'm
painting
done.
now.
Put a bunch on the plate. We're not using it, just put it on there. I'm gonna do there. You dip that in there and then dip it. Ah.
It's black.
What are you humming? It sounds very 4th of July-y, whatever it is you're humming. It sounds kind of like Indiana Jones. Yeah, you know what? Good idea. That's why you're here. God knows what I would have done.
Me too. I'm gonna do that after
I'm
it's
gonna
done.
make it like, I'm going off. I don't think this is part of the actual thing. I'm just getting creative. Fabulous. Well, I'm done. I like mine. Oh Jesus! No! That's good. All right, now put the one blue one down. Actually, pretty excited about my picture. I think it looks good. Hold on. I'm done. This is what I would have done. I told me to scroll down. But I'm like, well, that was kind of weird, but I did it. if you just do part of it, it'll be part orange, part red, and it'll be pretty cool. Looks like ketchup and mustard. Alright, now put. There's yours.
Squiddy squid.
There's mine. It looks, you know what? I'm ready to celebrate the 4th of July. I'm ready. Look at how, like, it even glitters. Alright, so, was that fun?
Yeah.
Did we do a good job?
Yes. Was it easy to use?
I thought it was pretty easy. I mean, granted, I wouldn't have done it right had she not told me to scroll down, but hey, I did it right. So, scale of 1 to 10, what are you gonna, how are you gonna rate your picture?
100.
100. How about mine?
100.
Whoa! Doing hundreds. All right. Well, are we done?
Yeah.
All right. You take it back.
Bye.